Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajeem. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today we are making Arabic style boneless chicken. It is very easy recipe, very yummy recipe. Inshallah you will like it. So let's show you how we made this Arabic style boneless chicken. I hope you will like it very much. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. So let's show you how we made it. First of all, in a casserole we will add around half cup oil. We will heat it for a while, and then in that we will add half kg boneless chicken. We will cook it till the color becomes slightly light brown. Now we will add half teaspoon black pepper powder in this and we'll mix it, and we will take it out. You just have to slightly fry it for a while so that it's cooked. Now we will add one medium sized onion chopped and we will fry it till it becomes slightly light brown, and then we will add 2 tablespoons wheat flour. We will mix it properly. Now after mixing it, you can see we will add around 2 tablespoons milk and we'll mix it and cook. You can see the milk is totally mixed inside. Now we will add 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder. Now we will add half teaspoon cumin powder, half teaspoon garam masala and 1 teaspoon turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon ginger powder, 1 teaspoon cumin, then we will mix it and we will add 3 tablespoons milk, and now we will add 1 teaspoon salt and we will mix it well. And now we will add the fried chicken in this and we will mix it properly and cook for around 2 to 3 minutes. Now we will add half cup water in this. And now we will cover it and cook for 15 minutes on low flame. You can see now after 15 minutes 50% of the water has dried. Now here we will add 3 to 4 green chilies as garnish. Then we will add around 100 gram green coriander. We will cook it for 2 more minutes and our recipe is ready, so we will dish it out. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Our Arabic style chicken is ready. If you like our recipe, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and also share it with your friends. Inshallah we will meet with you with another recipe. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.